Our Prophet said the time will come when a believer, in order to preserve his faith, preserve his deen, preserve his way of life of Islam, he will have to flee to the mountainsides and to places where rain falls and take with him some sheep and goats. And Surah Al-Kahf has informed us about that philosophy of withdrawal from society. They may turn their noses down in contempt, but we will have the last laugh, because Surah Al-Kahf is the guide. The young men fled. They fled the cities, and they stopped at the cave to rest, and that's when Allah put them to sleep. But they were heading for the remote countryside, and that's our message to you today. We don't know as yet the end, but we are anticipating that there are going to be heavy showers to come, and then thunder showers, and this may last for another few years.